whether it's a pasta salad or a classic green salad or even a chicken salad, all of these pair really well with one versatile dressing, and that's Lighthouse refrigerated salad dressing. It's great tasting, it's high quality, no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors, and it's really easy to upgrade any recipe, not just salads, by using one classic dressing. This is the classic Caesar dressing. It has Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of anchovies. And you can find it in your refrigerated area of your produce department of the grocery store, or even go to lighthousefoods.com to find out even more varieties and not just the classic Caesar. Now, if you're looking for a great side salad or maybe to bump up the flavor of a burger or a sandwich, I would say go to Fresh Express. They are the leader in packaged salad kits, and now they have these chef-inspired premium slaw salad kits, and they get their cues from the current restaurant trend kits that are out there. They include everything that you need to make the perfect salad with a twist on the classic favorites, whether it's the honey pecan slaw or maybe the barbecue smoked sriracha or Asian avocado. And of course, it's mixed all up with that beautiful Asian avocado dressing, and it's going to look like it came right from the restaurant to your table. And you can find out more about Fresh Express from freshexpress.com, or you can go to your local grocery store. You'll find it in the refrigerated food aisle of the produce section.